Take a moment to check out the 2020 Audi Q5. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Express your appreciation for style and quality in this handsome Q5. Well-rounded and designed to maximize comfort and confidence, this feature-rich automobile infuses every journey with pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, heated front seat, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Refined style meets can-do capability in this captivating Q5. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.